This is Ms. Braun. Her company produces plastic components. Ms. Braun is facing a huge challenge. Her customer seeks flame-retardant and impact-resistant plastic housings. Her plastic housings are neither flame-retardant nor impact-resistant. What's the solution? She needs a better compound. She searches in vain for the suitable material on the market, until she finally finds Lapp Engineering. Lapp Engineering develops customized polymer granules, also known as compounds. The technical requirements are defined together. Lapp Engineering develops a recipe, compounds a granulate material, prepares samples, tests them, and analyzes the results until all of Ms. Braun's requirements have been met. The result? A customized compound. So far, Ms. Braun has not spent a single penny on development. Lapp Engineering supports her by manufacturing prototypes at their production facilities. Joint testing is used to prove that the prototypes are flame retardant and impact resistant. Ms. Braun is very impressed. She orders 50 tons of the compound. Lapp Engineering produces and delivers the 50 tons. Benefit from our know-how without any risks. Become a satisfied customer. We do customized compounds.